Hi all, this brief video is going to show you how to create a movie on iMovie with picture-in-picture to add overlays to your videos. Now this is a good way to use iMovie in order to add some visual prompts for your students, or some reinforcement cards or pictures, or just any picture overlay that you might want to add for steps or visual cues in the videos that you're making. You may see some of these online already using very sophisticated software, paid software, things like that. We want to show you quickly how to do it with iMovie, which is free on your computer, so you don't need to purchase anything else to do this. So once you have a new movie open on iMovie, you can simply drag in any MP4 on your computer from a QuickTime video that you already made, or any type of video that you already made or have. So let's do that first. Now I just took a quick video with my somewhat unwilling participant, my daughter, this morning, doing a basic hand washing routine. Again, not more for the hand washing, but more so to show you the workflow to add the picture overlays to this. Now, let's just add a quick title to my movie here, just to make it look somewhat like it might look if you were to do this. We're just going to call this hand washing. Again, I'm not doing this for the style of it. I'm just doing it for the function to show you how to do the pictures. So again, if I was to now export this movie and save it, it's a video on how to do hand washing. It's good in and of itself. However, for some of our students that need the extra visuals or some overlays, let's show you how to do that picture-in-picture piece of it. So prior to doing this, I went into Boardmaker. Now you can go into anywhere you have pictures, and I just used Command-Shift-4 on the Mac and took screenshots of the pictures that I want to put into this movie. The first picture I'm going to add is around this point where I tell her to turn the water on. How do I get that screenshot I took into my video? Go to the down arrow up here. Now I have that picture already in my computer because I did Command-Shift-4 and I saved that picture. There it is right there. All I'm going to do is insert that into here and then drag it down. You'll notice when I do that, it ends up on top of my video. So how do I change that? What I need to do is click on that picture, and you'll notice a menu opens up here. The first thing that I want to do is change this cutaway right here to picture in picture. And you'll notice that my picture is now right there. The second thing I want to do is change it to fit rather than having any type of effects. So there's my picture here, and now I can move it around on my page. I'm going to put it kind of over the faucet. Now you'll notice when I play my video, first turn the water on, wet your hands, that picture pops up over on top of my video, and I can adjust the size a little bit from where I want it to start or end. So let's do that again now. I believe I tell her right about here to put soap on her hands, so let's stop right about there. Again, I have the picture of the soap on my computer from doing a screenshot already. So let's go to the down arrow again. Let's find my soap picture and do the same thing and drag it down to here. Now again, that's on top of my video. So I want to go first to here, or doesn't matter the order you do this. Change it to fit. Go back over here. Change it to picture in picture. And now I can also drag this around again wherever I want it. So here's my first one. Scrub, scrub, scrub for 30 seconds. And there's my second one. I want to move this maybe a little bit over here. Again, I'm not doing this perfectly, just to show you the function of it. So let's check out that timing. Put some soap on your hands. I like that a little better.
Scrub.
And now you'll notice I said scrub, scrub, scrub. So I have a picture of that as well. So what do? I go back to my down arrow. I find my scrub picture. Let's use this one right here. I drag it down to my panel here. And let's just see what that says.
Scrub, scrub, scrub for 30 seconds.
Now you'll notice again that's on top of my video. How do I change that? Click the, go up here to fit. Go over here to picture in picture. Let's look at it again.
Scrub, scrub, scrub for 30 seconds.
And there you go. So I changed this movie that I imported from my computer to have the picture in picture overlays. So now when you play it,
first turn the water on.
You see that the pictures overlay the video. Now the nice thing about this is these can be images from anywhere. You can screenshot or any images you have on your computer from anywhere you're thinking or anywhere you might use. So let's look at a couple other things you can do with this. Once you have a clip on your page and you've set it to picture in picture and you've set it to fit, you have some options. You can choose how the picture appears and goes away. I like the zoom feature. How long it's going to be on here for. How long the transition duration is. And then you can also change the border. So let's add a border to this, but we can also change the border color. So now let's look at this one again.
First turn the water on.
And you'll notice it has a blue border on it.
Watch your hands.
How did I do that? Again, click on the picture in picture overlay. Change the transition to zoom if you'd like. How long the transition is. Here's your border style. And here's your border color. Let's look at this one.
Then put some soap on your hands.
And there it is right there. Now, iMovie does not easily allow you to add multiple picture in pictures over a certain clip of video. So how can you get around that? The way I like to do it is this. If I wanted to have this right here say scrub your hands for 30 seconds and I wanted it to show the scrub picture and also a 30-second or a timer picture, all you need to do is screenshot the pictures together. So in BoardMaker or in your Pages document, have the two icons next to each other and screenshot them as a whole. So let's get rid of this one quick. Going to go back to the arrow here. And you'll notice here is where I took the scrub your hands and the 30 and I have them together. So basically on my Pages document, I imported both of those and then I just screenshot them together. So you can have the two images next to each other and have two images on your page now instead of just one. Again, this is overlaying my video. Simply go up, fit it, change this to picture in picture. Then I can change my transition, the time of my transition, any borders I want on here, and any colors of my borders as well. I can also move this around the page. Might put it down there for that one. And now you'll notice it plays
Scrub, scrub, scrub for 30 seconds.
with two pictures in there that I screenshot together. So I hope this video is helpful to show you how easy it is to simply add a movie to iMovie that you already made, add screenshots of pictures into iMovie, overlay them on your video, and then you can export or save your video as a new MP4 with the additional picture in pictures on your video. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.